What is going on? Justin Forehand here with eXp Realty. Today we're going to cover one of my listings here at 710 Harbor Ferry Drive, Madison, Alabama. Welcome back to Huntsville Dreamin'. Today we're going to cover, like I mentioned, my listing at 710 Harbor Ferry Drive, Madison, Alabama 35756. This home is currently listed for $367,500. 2,332 square feet, 4 bedroom, 3 bath. It's in Huntsville city limits with a Madison mailing address. It's one of those weird annex addresses here in the Huntsville area. We see it quite often here in the Madison side of things. But this is the house here. All these details can be seen at 710harborferry.com, or you can click on the link in the description and get all the details there. You can look through all these pictures. Has nice wood floors all throughout the house, and at the end of this video I'll do a walkthrough video where you can see how the house flows and how everything's laid out. It's 3 bedrooms are on one side of the house, the master suite is on the other side. So and I'm going to talk about the location, certain things about the area, and just pretty much what you can expect for living in the River Landing neighborhood. And we'll start off by what schools it is zoned for. K through 8 it is zoned for J.E. Williams, and then for high school be Columbia High School. As you can see, this location here, it's on the main road that enters Nickel Creek, which is a subdivision of the River Landing neighborhood. You do have access to the community clubhouse, pool, tennis courts, basketball courts, and gym. There's also a kiddie clubhouse. It's all across the street in Pebble Creek. As you can see, this is it right here. The gym is here, main clubhouse, kiddie playhouse. Oh, and there's also a play area here. HOA fees, it is $430 a year, and that includes your access to these. You'll have a key card that gets you in all the buildings and the swimming pool area. You'll have to set up an appointment with the representative over at the clubhouse, and then they'll be able to issue your access card. But as you can see, it's part of a larger neighborhood. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 neighborhoods, and then you have these townhouses across the street. Now, the great part of this house is where it's located. It's located at the in between Zernt Road and Walter-Anna Road, very close to the airport. As always, there is some noise from airplanes. It's not too bad. You'll have just your normal planes taking off. Of course, I'm from the Fort Rucker area, so I'm used to the helicopter and air noise anyway. I've lived in this area for 12 years, and there's only been a few times where we're like, what is that? So it's not too bad. But the location is great, because if you work on Redstone, Gate 7 is right here. It's about 2 miles from the house, and then there's a new shopping center right here. You have a Publix, coffee shop, oil change, car wash, Mexican restaurant, and then right up the road from that is Town Madison. So great location. Here's Toyota Field, all your restaurants along here, and then right down the road from that, there's another Publix here. And then your Walmart is here. Another great thing is you have interstate access from either Zernt Road or Wall Triana. Exit here onto 565 or exit 9 on the other side. Now over here there is going to be you have a Cracker Barrel here. There's going to be a new Chick-fil-A in this area. You have gas stations. The post office is right here, and you know your north access on Wall Triana, and then also Hughes Road leading to Highway 72. So quick access to the interstate. We pretty much can get anywhere in the Huntsville area within 20-30 minutes, just depending on traffic, as we now know that it is a lot heavier than it used to be, but that's just the location of the house, the quick, easy access to the interstate, new restaurants and shopping that's coming up. And I also wanted to point out it's also close to Bridge Street for more shopping. Let's see, it's right. You go down to Governor's West. Here's Cabela's. You know, Governor's West, and then here is Bridge Street. Those are the closest shopping restaurant areas to River Landing. I personally live in River Landing and have been for the last 2011, so 13 years. This house was built in 2010. It is Adams Homes build, but is a four-sided brick home, 3-car garage, privacy fence. But if you would like to see all the pictures, you can definitely go to www.710harborferry.com or click on the link in the description. If you have any questions, post them in the comments, or feel free to reach out to me. My phone number is 256-542-0226. I'd love to answer any questions you have about this property. And thank you for watching. Right after this will be the video walkthrough of the property, so you can see how everything's laid out. And that was the video walkthrough of the house. Hope you enjoyed learning more about this house, the location, all the details. If you would like to see more and would like to see it in person, feel free to reach out. Phone number is 256-542-0226. I'd love to show it to you and answer any other questions you may have. So once again, thank you for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.